Well, since Chandler's not going to make it to no name, the Cherokee's got to, so I'm going to go through, do the regular maintenance stuff, check stuff, make sure it's good, because it's about 700 miles each way for me, and hopefully sticker it up and, make it look cooler than it's sort of lame, but it's the most popular thing on my channel, so let's get it going. It'll still be fun. The whole thing is going to be fun. I just really wanted the Chandler done because that would have been cool to show off what I could do, but it'll have to be next time. Or other stuff. I'm rambling. I'm going to put a big 6% recycled sticker back here. I'm going to clean all the junk off of here and pop the stickers off. I've got replacements for the Eastside Jeeps. It's one of the Jeep clubs I belong to. And just get it cleaned up and prep for the trip. One of the things I'll have to replace at some point in the future is this wiper arm, because it has never worked, and as far as I know, most older Cherokees, the arms don't work anyway. Use the razor blade and clean up all the glass and get all the stickers off, and then I will put a big old sticker on it. Big 6% recycled logo is going to go up there. It doesn't affect my view with the rearview mirror, so that's awesome. Put some other stuff down low. I was going to put this back there, but then the wind came up and stuck the letters to the letters, so now this sticker is useless unless I can fix it. So I was able to peel the letters apart and get the bulk of the sticker on, and then I will see if I can fit the E stuck to itself in place. Now let's fit that pesky E. It's definitely not going to be perfect, but nothing that I've done lately has been, so I'll take acceptable. Yeah, just don't look right there. It's perfect. I'm going to through some other channel paraphernalia on there. And thus begins the sticker windows. I plan to get as much of this filled as humanly possible with everybody's logos and stickers, so let's see how well that goes. We got New Guy's Garage, Buck Does It, and Tony's Hot Rod Garage. So I'll get all my buddies on both sides. So, just because I can't take the car, which I really built for this whole thing, doesn't mean I'm not going to have as much fun as humanly possible. So stickers, fun stuff. I'm looking forward to meeting a bunch of people. Hopefully this isn't too shaky, but we'll see in the edit. Since I'm going to be going on this long road trip, I want to go ahead and mount my phone case on the dash so I can see the navigation screen without doing the, anything gets me a ticket. So I made this little bracket right here, and it clips in on the frame. I'm going to go ahead and mount this to the dash, and then I'll share the results. Well, you're looking at me from the camera in the mount on the dash. It's got good room. I'll be able to see what I need to see and touch things and distract you from seeing things that I'm seeing. Hey! Check the oil and all the other fluids. I found that I have apparently a slow leak. Well, I've had a slow leak going and I wasn't sure where it was from. Apparently it's from the power steering because it's the only fluid that's down. So I'll have to see where that's coming from when I get back, because I'm certainly not doing it today because I leave tomorrow. So time to check and set the tire pressure and then switch out the spare. I'll show you why in a minute. Because this is the original factory spare, which means it's 23 years old and it hasn't held there in a long time. It's also a 225 and I'm running 235s, so this needs to go. I'm going to pull one of the tires off the Comanche because I know they're good, and I'll put something from a Tire Force on the Comanche for the time being. The 235 might be a little interesting to fit in here because it is technically a little bigger, but we'll see how it fits. Now back to the Comanche. Pull a good tire off there. It's still like a 6-year-old tire, but it's still a good tire. We're going to pull the right rear. I'll just, like I said, replace it with some random thing in my Tire Force over there. I am going to have to clean this thing up on the tread though, because it's gone through, let's say, fertilizer in the backyard that I don't want to bring into the Cherokee. And brake job will be coming on this thing as soon as I get back. It's one of the things I've been meaning to do, but the Chandler project ate up the last month and a half, and I've done almost nothing. I've had parts for this thing for more than a month. Now, with my luck, this thing's going to be dead on air, and I'm going to put it down and get the jack trapped underneath it, because, it's gravel, and yeehaw, so I'll probably have to air this up, but I got to air up the Cherokee tires anyway and check everything, so. Including the spare, after I wash it. There's some air in it. As long as there's enough to get the jack out, that's all I really care about. Spare tire spare tire going in. This is going to be fun to try to get this little arm in here, which you can't see anyway. Like I was saying, it's going to be fun to try to get this little arm through here. That wasn't that bad. Got to push it a little farther forward to make sure the hatch is going to clear. Well, hopefully the hatch is going to clear, but we'll find out how that works together. All right, well, you tell me if this clears. And it does. Awesome. Just have to finish the stickers. The car's ready to go other than my luggage. I'm all packed up for my 700-mile drive to No Name. See everybody there. Like, share, subscribe. Hope I end your subscription. See you next time.